Hello my friends. Do you like plums? Do you like desserts with plums? The plums are ripe and I want to make a delicious plum cake. I think that you will appreciate such a cake. Plum cake is a great addition to tea or coffee. Well, are you ready? First of all, I will bake a classic chocolate sponge cake. How it is prepared. What is the secret of a lush, airy biscuit? I told in one of my video recipes. You can find out more details by clicking on the link under this video. Classic French biscuits are not created by baking baking powder, but warm egg whites, which I will beat into a fluffy foam. Finally, let's make some fresh plums for the cake. I cut the plums to decorate the cake and to fill the inside of the cake. I use technical ripeness plums in this recipe to keep the fruit fiber in shape. Now I will make some cream muslin for the plum cake. There is a little secret here. Do you know this? Fruit cakes have one small drawback. Fruits contain a lot of juice, so the biscuit may be too wet. I made a muslin cream from butter and pastry cream. This is a greasy cake cream, so the fruit juice will stay inside the cream. You can also watch the recipe for the famous muslin cream on my channel. Now you need to fill the chocolate biscuit with syrup. Mix plum juice with a little sugar and brandy. It will be a delicious syrup. The next step is chocolate icing. Chocolate glaze tastes great. It contains dark chocolate, butter and heavy milk cream. Use a water bath to combine these ingredients. I wrote a detailed recipe for chocolate icing in the description for this video. Finally, I made a plum cake. This needs to be chilled in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours for the chocolate icing to freeze on the surface of the cake. Well, plum cake based on chocolate sponge cake and cream muslin is ready. Call your friends, treat them to this delicious dessert. I want to wish you a delicious experience. Thanks for the support. Subscribe to the Simple Peppers channel. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video. See you soon.